Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another video. For those people that follow my channel, you might have noticed me missing in action. I think it's been about 3 weeks since I've uploaded any videos, which is very unusual for me. As you know, I generally upload at least 3 to 4 videos a week, up to 7 videos a week. And I have not uploaded a single video since the 1st of August, I believe. I thought I'll give you the bad news. I've quit YouTube. Some people, especially the ones that give me the big thumbs down all the time, would probably be happy about that. But no, it's not going to happen. I'm not quitting. I'm only kidding about that. We have had some issues. Look, it all started with my father-in-law having a number of heart attacks and having heart surgery. So that has taken up a lot of our time. In saying that, he's back at home now, back at his home, not my home here, at his place, which is about an hour from here. And look, even though it's mainly been my wife that's been away, she's been staying there for quite some time, but that has also put extra pressure on me at home to look after everything. I just have not had the time. Look, I've gone days without even turning on the computer or camera, whereas normally the first thing I'll do is check my computer and film some sort of video pretty much every day. I'll live with the camera. And it's been weeks since I've turned on the camera. So that was the first thing. So he's had, I think, 2 or 3 heart attacks, I believe. He got taken to hospital. They kept him in hospital. He had some heart surgery done almost straight away. And believe it or not, a few days later, they sent him home. So it's amazing how that happens these days. He's recovering fine, or seems to be recovering fine. So that was one thing that's taken up a lot of our time. And then I finally ended up buying a van, which is great. And there will be videos on that coming up very shortly. And then I started doing some work on the van for a couple of days. And I thought I'll start filming some videos, and for some reason I got this virus that seems to be going around that everyone's been getting. Look, I don't know if it hit me hard or not, but I was in bed for a good 4 days. And then after that I was staggering around for a few more days with headaches, body pains, all that sort of stuff. And then I was fine. Don't seem to have any ill effects from it. But look, it's certainly not pleasant. It is what it is. And my son also got a mild version of it. And I actually think he's the one that brought it home from school. I hadn't had any contact with people or anything like that. So I believe that's where it came from. And we did get some notifications from the school that the virus was going around the school, but no one really cares anymore, and it is what it is. And my wife was away the whole time I was sick, so she didn't get it, and my daughter was out working most of the time while I was sick, so she didn't get it. So far so good anyway. So then we've recovered from the virus, and then I was playing catch up for a while with some other things, and now finally I'm back on YouTube, and hopefully we'll be going back to at least 3 or 4 videos a week. I'm really hoping for daily videos. And at this stage, if you're still with me, I'd also like to mention my second YouTube channel, which is a bit smaller than this one still. It is called the Aussie Prepper, and I'll be linking that channel down below in the description box below this video, or I think it's next to the video now. They've changed it for some reason. But anyway, I'll be linking that channel there if you're at all interested in that sort of stuff. subscribe to that channel as well, and that would really help me out. I think I'm just under 500 subscribers on that channel, and I really want to try and get it up to 1,000 subs so I can start monetizing that channel. And look, you know, it's not going to make me rich, but it's worthwhile getting a few dollars for the videos that are there. There's quite a few videos there already. I've had the channel for about a year or 2 years or something, but I haven't done much with it. I haven't had the time. I'm really going to try and upload at least once or twice a week on that channel as well. And look, some of the videos will cross over because some of the topics will link up, and if you start following the channel, you'll see what I mean. Okay, we might be doing a video on how to repair a flat tire, which is just a general video on how to repair a flat tire. On the Aussie Prepper channel, which is, well, it's about prepping and being prepared for emergencies and various other things. Well, that sort of crosses over, doesn't it? Being able to repair your own tire and being able to fix things. Okay, so some of the things that we'll do on this channel will link over to the other channel, but it's not essential to be watching both channels, but you might as well. If you subscribe to this channel, go over and subscribe to the other channel. Okay, I really urge people to just go and subscribe. Hopefully that channel will get up to 1,000, and I'll start getting a little bit more pocket money from YouTube from that channel. I will also be doing a whole additional series of videos on this channel. It'll be, I'm not sure what I'm going to call it yet, and it might be Workshop Tales, or Tales from the Workshop, or Tales from Mike's Man Cave, or Workshop Vlog, or something like that. If you've got any ideas for a good name for a series of videos, leave a comment down below and let me know your thoughts, and maybe I'll end up using your suggestion. What it basically will be is me filming the stuff that I do in my workshop. I'm trying to rebuild a number of cars. I've got a lot of projects going on in my workshop, and I'm going to spend maximum time that I can in my workshop. It's going to be my life for the next, I don't know how long. My life's going to be work, YouTube, and doing stuff in my workshop. That's going to be it. That is the plan. To really get all this stuff going a bit better. And as I mentioned earlier, I finally bought a van. It's not the exact van I wanted, but look, the price was right, the condition was right, and it will do the job of what I need. It'll be a work van, but it will also be for leisure activities such as traveling, camping, working, fishing, gold panning, which will all be part of YouTube once I get to it. And I will title those videos, and those videos will sort of cross over with my workshop series videos as well, because obviously I'm working on the van in my workshop. And these videos, I will probably call them something like Van Life Series 1, Van Life Series 2, whatever. I'll call them something along those lines, and they will be their own sort of series of videos as well on building up the van from the day I bought it to all the stuff that I'll be doing to the van. Look, I'd also like to apologise to Hydroflask. Look, they send me all this stuff. Hydroflask sent me, the boxes are still sealed. I think I got this stuff here and I put it on my bench here. There's more stuff here that I got sent by Hydroflask right there, and there's another thing right there. So I've got 5 boxes from Hydroflask that they sent me to unbox and review. But unfortunately, for all the reasons I mentioned earlier, I haven't even had a chance to look at this stuff, and I'd really like to apologise to Hydroflask for that. One of the very first videos I will be recording after this video will be the Hydroflask unboxing video. Look, I love my Hydroflask stuff, as you know, and especially with my van life videos, some of this stuff will be really handy. Look, there's my Hydroflask with my drink in it, my Hydroflask drink holder, cooler, whatever you want to call it, and it's got a no sugar drink there. So I've got a few energy drink review videos I need to film and some other review videos, and then I'm getting back on the bandwagon of eating a very low carb carnivore style diet. I've already started doing some exercise. I've already not had a drink of alcohol for probably close to 10 days. You know, whereas I used to drink quite regularly. I do like a drink. Saying that, I haven't really missed it. And look, everything's getting so expensive these days. Not spending the extra money on alcohol does help my budget to be able to spend stuff on other stuff like my van, my cars, etc. So there's a bit of a rant of where I've been and what's happened. And I think I've talked at the camera enough for now. If you've got any questions about anything at all, if you've got any suggestions for videos or anything you want to see, anything you want to see in my workshop, in my man cave, any sort of diet related videos you want me to do, anything, leave a comment down below. Hydroflask unboxing will be up very shortly. Let's have a quick sneak preview. Which one do we like? I don't even know what these are. I really have no idea. This is the biggest box. Let's go for the smallest box. Let's just have a quick look at the smallest box that Hydroflask sent me. No idea what it is. Let's have a look. Have a look at that. A small coffee cup. I love this. 177ml, 6 ounces. That is really good. It's got a lid as well, but you can open and close. Have a look at that. I love that thing. Okay, I'm excited. I'm going to wrap this back up for the official Hydroflask unboxing. This is a preview. Look, I don't know how much these are, but this I will be using a lot because I've got the bigger Hydroflask ones. I think they're 12 ounce actually, off the top of my head. 12 ounce coffee cups, and I use them all the time, especially while I was sick. I was using them with tea. I was making lemon and honey tea, and I was drinking that because I had a sore throat. And but these will be great for my, like a little morning cappuccino or morning coffee. I love this. Well, there's your Hydroflask preview. Thank you to Hydroflask. Now, if you've got any questions or anything you'd like to ask or add, leave your question down below, and I will try and answer all questions that are left on this video. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful at all, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now. There you go. Gotta love Hydroflasks.